Evening, how are you tonight?
Good, how are you?
Hey, fellas, you guys, you can film all you want as long as it's not on the property. You have to have express permission from the Diamondbacks.
Alright, we will do that. Thank you. You too. Well, we just got kicked out. Alright, we're going now. Yeehaw. What's going on here with all this triple decker? Truckception. Quickly getting our asses down to downtown Phoenix for no apparent reason other than COVID sucks and we need to get out of the house. See, have not seen downtown in months, so who knows if it's even still there. That's craziness in the world. It could not be there anymore. Right? Right. Well, luckily you can see the buildings from the distance, so you know they're still up. Don't see any smoke coming from over there, so that's good. Going up to 3rd Street, which is weird. Phoenix, where 80 miles an hour is technically 15 miles over the speed limit, but it's also 15 miles under the speed limit. Everyone hauls here. Yeah, all major. Alright, so we're down here in downtown Phoenix. About to shoot some video and hopefully get some shots. I don't know. We'll do some crazy time lapses. But right now I'm just going in a circle just for fun. Because how often do you get to do this? Well, we're in downtown Phoenix. We're gonna do this up, take some video, take some photo, and hopefully have some fun. First impression of it right now is it's quiet, really quiet. What the heck? Look at all those shoes in the back. Anyways, it's really quiet down here. Not a whole lot going on. So we're in downtown Phoenix. Maybe do a couple transition videos. There's a couple good spots down here for sure to do elevators. So we're gonna go look for some more stuff. We're looking for some dope places to go shoot transition shots. It's definitely a very photogenic downtown Phoenix right now. It's very empty down here aside from a few people. And there's not even hardly any cars on the road. It's definitely a slow Sunday down here. So we're gonna go find those spots. Look at those shoes up there. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, we're down here. The hood. Trying to find a parking garage so that we can take photos from there a little bit above the skyline, and hoping that we meet it by the sunset, which is coming up pretty quick, so that we can get to business. Keep on trucking. Keep on trucking. next to the Hotel San Carlos, which is supposedly haunted. I've never been there.
We were last year.
Yeah. This is ironically where we were last year when I first got my camera and started in photography. That's where we're at. Awesome. Synchronicity of the universe right there. The sun's about to set, but we found a good spot for an elevated shot, and we're heading over there right now. Yeah, it's definitely dead down here, guys. It's crazy. There's nobody down here. I don't know what the reasoning is behind it, but. And I also haven't been down here in a long time, but it seems that even outdoors, everyone's wearing a mask. There's our lucky spot, so hopefully that's gonna be a good view up there. Go. All right. That was a dud. There's security all over the place, so they're probably just gonna wait for us and we're not gonna go up there. So now we have to find another one. With haste, with haste, with haste. All right, still looking for another spot up here to get an elevated shot. We're not having too much luck down here yet because of the security guards. We're not gonna give up, so we'll find something. Never give up. Masks are cheap, yo. His just broke. We're almost there. We haven't quite found the spot. This is a cool little whip pan. There you go. While you're walking. And it kind of looks like there's a cameraman that just popped up in front of you and now he is filming you, but that's not the case. We're basically at ASU, downtown campus in Phoenix. Still struggling to find a spot with the elevated spot in the parking garage that we can actually just get into. But they all seem to be closed, which is weird. Had to get this thing going green so that we don't get towed.
So Casey is putting on his camera. We just put in money in the meter. We're getting our shot.
My beard had all this mask and dent on it. Pretty whack. Cameras up there. that's a tight shot right there. There's the stadium. Pretty soon we'll have the drone. It's gonna be a practice drone because I don't know how to fly those things. Got the drone going on, we get those aerial views. It'd be tight. Definitely working on improvements to the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying it. And if you are, smash that like button and please subscribe. I'll definitely keep putting these videos out for you guys.
How are you tonight?
Good, how are you?
Hey fellas, you guys, you can film all you want as long as it's not on the product. You have to have express permission from the Diamondbacks.
Alright, we will do that. Thank you. You too. Well, we just got kicked out. Oh well, no biggie. He was nice about it. Yeah, they were watching us like a hawk, I guess. We were trying to get some shots, but
We got some.
we're just basically just walking around downtown Phoenix at this point. And hopefully you guys enjoy that, just how it is. Next time I think we might be mapping this out a little bit better. That way we don't run into this issue again.
Relocated down to downtown Gilbert. Yes, we did. Say hello. Yo.
I'm trying to get that elevator shot now. Alright, let's go. I know we just got here, but we are going to head back home and we'll have another adventure here pretty soon. Seeing you guys soon.